Good morning. This morning I'm going to make this birdhouse gourd into a birdhouse. This gourd we grew in 2022 and it dried all winter and spring of into 2023, and then in 2023 last year it was dry, and my kid Charlie painted it for us. She did a really good job. So today I'd like to make an entrance for a Carolina wren or a bluebird or a swallow. That's going to be a 1.5 inch hole I'm going to make. I'm going to use one of these bits that I had gotten when I installed our rain barrels. This is a bit that drills holes into eavesdrops, so into metal and aluminum. It's not a wood bit, but the wood bits I have for drilling holes are too small. This one's 1.5 inch, and that's the right size for the Carolina wren, the bluebird, and the swallow. And I have put some masking tape where I'm going to drill, because I don't know how this gourd is going to take the drilling. I hope it's okay. Then afterwards I'm going to make some drainage holes with a 3-inch bit and a couple of holes too, so that I can put some twine through the top to hang it. I mean, right now it's being hung sort of macrame style, but you know, I don't know how long that's going to last, so I'm going to put a couple backup holes and do that. So let's get started. I'm going to put this drill together here. There we go. Put my glasses on, my safety glasses, very important. All right. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, here goes. First time I ever do this, so I have no idea how this gourd's going to react. And there we have it. Now I'm going to be able to collect the seeds too, because this was a really nice gourd. That's really great. But first I'll drill the other holes. There's Meaty, always following me around. Okay, so a couple drainage holes in the bottom. Here I'm not going to use the masking tape. Let's hope it's all right. I've heard people say use 5/8 inch drill bit for the drainage holes, but I think that's too big. 3/8 inch seems better. And the top. Now I'm going to use a smaller bit for the top. Just the string just needs to get through it, that's all. Just a piece of twine. So. Go. Now, top. There's the holes. I'll put it on either side of the top. And the other side. There we go. That's just like drilling through wood. I guess that's why the gourds last. I guess they're very much, the material is probably very similar to wood. Now, there we have the hole. Take off the tape. Yeah, oh, that's nice. Very nice. A little tiny bit of the paint came off, but that's all right. All right, now let's see, got a whole bunch of seeds in here. Now this is really dry, so whoa. Look at all these seeds. Look at all these seeds. Wow, That's beautiful. Must be 100, 200 seeds here. Wow. Put them in my glasses. No. Just throw them in my basket here. Very nice. Perfectly dried seeds. Look at that. Really beautiful seeds. I'm going to plant some of these. Some of them might be really dry. I see one or two of them are slightly open. So I don't know if they're still viable, these seeds, but we'll soon find out. So there we go. Birdhouse gourd, drainage holes, hole for a Carolina wren or a bluebird or a swallow, and then the holes I'll put some twine through there. And the inside, well, it's pretty clean already because it's been drying for a year and a half. Very nice. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just ask them in the bottom of in the comments section. If I forgot to say something, I don't know. And we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.